Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send bulk messages to a lot of contacts all at once. So here in this video, I have sent summer sale offer to all the contacts. You can see in my Google Sheets, I have all these contacts and you can too send bulk messages at once to all these contacts using the broadcast of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this broadcast using Pabbly Chatflow, let's start creating this from the beginning. Here in this video, we are going to see how just in minutes we can send bulk messages to a lot of contacts in our contact list. So we are going to create this using Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. And if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. You can use these credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on the Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that do forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on sign in. Here I've landed towards the All Pabbly apps page where I can see all the Pabbly applications. I'll select this Pabbly Chatflow access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Now on the left hand side, we have this option of templates. Before creating broadcast message, we have to create a template for that. So on the left hand side, I have this option of templates. I'm going to open this templates list. I'm landed towards this templates. You can see all the templates which have been created. Now, if you want to create a new template, you simply have to click on this add template, go towards this add template. Now here, as you land towards this page, new templates, you have to select the template category. So let's suppose I'm going to select it as marketing. You have to give this a name. So I'm going to give it a random name. Then you have to enter the language. So let's suppose the language is this English, and then we have this select variable type. So you can select name or number. I'm going to select it as number, and then you have to enter that, or you can create a custom variable in the message itself. If you want to provide the header, you can do that like this, welcome, and you can see this in the preview. And I'm going to write the main body of the message in this template format. So I have selected the custom variable or the variable type as a number. So I'm going to number it like this. And as I have numbered it, I can see the value to be entered here. So I'm going to enter demo. So hi demo, and then I can add as many as custom variable as I want. If you have selected the variable type as name, you have to enter name over here, create the message, add the variables, and then you have to also provide the value. Please do not forget to add the value, otherwise the custom variable and the names of the contacts will not be replaced whenever you're going to send the messages. So over here I have this template footer. If you want to add something like this, you can add it and it will appear something like this. Then if you want to add the interactive actions like call to action, quick replies, you can do it, after which you have to simply click on this submit. The template will be submitted, and after this template is reviewed by Meta, you can use it to send the bulk messages. So here I'm going to create the template in front of you. I'm going to name it as summer offer. Then I'm going to select the language as English. Then I'm going to select the variable type as number. I'm going to enter the message. So over here you can see this is the message which I have entered. Hi, enjoy up to 40% off on selected products for a limited time. You can see that I have entered the header. I do not want to enter the footer, so I'm going to skip this. So this is the message. Now I'm going to enter the value as demo to this custom variable which I have added. If you want to add more custom variable, you can simply enter like this, to, and then close the bracket, and then you will have to enter the value to that particular custom variable. So this is how you have to create it. Now I'm going to click on this submit. So the template has been submitted, and over here you can see that it is pending, which means it has not been approved yet. Let's wait for some time till the template is approved. On the left hand side you can see this option of broadcast. I'm going to open this broadcast now. Here I'm landed towards this broadcast. Now over here you can see all the broadcast which we have created: total broadcast, live broadcast, send broadcast, scheduled broadcast. And here we have this live, sent. We have the status of all the broadcast messages: scheduled, failed, stopped, paused. So I'm going to go towards this add broadcast. Now here what you have to do, you have to select the broadcast type. I'm going to select it as broadcast campaign, and then you have to give a broadcast name. So I'm going to, let's suppose, name it as summer offer only, and then you have to select the contact list. Now in this drop down you can see all the list which I have created. You can select that particular list, or in this help desk a hyperlink is provided to you. If you click on this, you will be redirected towards this page where you will learn how you can create contact and you can add that to your broadcast. So for that, if I open contacts on the left hand side, I'm landed towards this contacts page. To create a new contact, you simply have to click on this add contact. You can create single contact, but if you want to add bulk contact, what you have to do, you have to go towards this add contacts, and then you have to download the file in CSV. Now over here, if I open my Google Sheets where I have added my bulk contacts, you can see I have so many contacts. I have to download this detail from the spreadsheet in CSV format, and then I have to upload it over here. So as soon as the contacts will be uploaded, I have to add the contacts, and the contact list will be created, and the bulk contact will be uploaded to my list. And then from here I can select that particular list. So we have this refined audience. So if you want to exclude a specific contact list, or you have to exclude a particular contact, you can do that from here. You can select the list, you can select the contact. Then we have this select message type. Is it pre-approved template message or is it regular message? If you want regular message, you can directly send it. You can create the message from here and you can send it. But if it is a pre-approved template, like I've showed you, you have to create a template first, and from here you have to select the WhatsApp template. So I have already created a template. Now here we can see it has been approved, and now we can use the summer offer template. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go towards the select WhatsApp template, select this template, and you can see that this is the same template which we have selected. Now if you have to enter the body field, what you have to do, you have to enter $name. So this dollar is going to create a personalized messages. On the left hand side, we have this option of settings, and then we have this option of contact custom field. If I open this on a new tab, on this page, I can see all the fields which we have created. So using these fields only, you can send a personalized messages. So I'm going to use this name. I'm going to simply copy this and I'm going to paste it over here, where I'm going to select this template. So this is the template. I'm going to enter $name, and now this is going to create a personalized message. I'm going to click on this done. So now the template has been selected. So here I'm going to enter my username for now like this, and then I'm going to enter my own phone number so that I can show you the WhatsApp message on the execution. When I click on this send test message, I'm going to click on this and you will see test broadcast send. Now let me open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received the same template message there or not. And here it is, I have received. The summer sale is here. Hi current user, enjoy up to 40% off on selected products for a limited time. So this is the message which I have received. Now I'm going to go back towards the broadcast, and if you want to schedule this broadcast, you can click on this add broadcast. You can schedule this simply by clicking on this yes, select the date and time. So over here we have the date and we can select the time and then click on this okay. Like this, the broadcast will be scheduled and the message will be sent on this date at this time. Or if you want to send instantly, you can select send instantly no and then add the broadcast. I'm going to select yes, schedule this, and then click on this add broadcast. Here it is, broadcast created successfully. So now if I go towards the scheduled, I can see that this broadcast has been scheduled for tomorrow. So this is how you can send bulk messages to so many contacts which you have on your Pabbly Chatflow contact list. Now, if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUBYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.